Welcome to the SUMAS CRS Business and Sustainability Program. This tutorial is designed for current and prospective students, as well as teachers and staff of partner schools. We'll cover the program structure and what students can expect to learn. The SUMAS CRS Business and Sustainability Program is a 2-year innovative course. It fulfills the CRS component of the IBCP certificate. This program combines 2 parts. One is the theoretical part, the foundation courses. The second is the applied part, which includes the leadership experience and the project work. Both parts run over 2 years following this structure. In Year 1, you have the first part of the applied component, which is the leadership experience, as well as the 2 foundation courses of Fundamentals of Sustainability and Leadership. In Year 2, you will have the second part of the applied component, which is the project work, and the final part of the foundation course, which is Sustainable Innovation. Let's now look in more detail at the foundation courses. Think of these as the core of the program. They're equivalent to one high-level subject and cover Fundamentals of Sustainability, Leadership, and Sustainable Innovation. The second part is the applied component. This is where you put your learning into action. It's equivalent to standard-level subjects and includes Sustainability Leadership Experience and Project Work. Now, let's break down the program structure. In Year 1, your journey begins with the Sustainability Leadership Experience. This kicks off the year with a 6-week module. We'll explore concepts like responsible leadership, different personality types, responsible consumption, personal sustainability, and environmental ethics. You'll participate in live-streamed sessions, complete a leadership profile questionnaire, and write an essay. The first foundation course will be Fundamentals of Sustainability. This 10-week module dives deep into core sustainability concepts. You'll complete preparatory assignments, attend interactive live-stream classes, and have the option to complete follow-up assignments. The second foundation course is Leadership. This module, spanning 6 weeks in Year 1, explores leadership principles relevant to sustainability. Remember, an additional 4 weeks will be in Year 2. The activities here are similar to the Fundamentals of Sustainability course. Then in Year 2, you will continue your program with the Sustainable Innovation module. This 10-week module focuses on innovative solutions to tackle sustainability challenges. Activities will follow the same format as the Fundamentals of Sustainability course. In your second year, you'll also undertake a year-long project work experience, allowing you to delve deeply into a chosen topic and to put your knowledge to the test. Step 1. Explore the possibilities. Before selecting your project, explore the diverse range of topics and projects within each pathway. Attend live streaming sessions conducted by our expert professors, or watch the recorded sessions at your convenience. These sessions will empower you to make the best choice for your academic goals. Step 2. Choose your path. Select the pathway that ignites your interest. We offer a range of exciting options, including sustainable finance and digitalization, sustainable entrepreneurship and technology, sustainable fashion, sustainable hospitality and culinary arts, sustainable tourism, and nature conservation. Throughout your project journey, you'll be supported by our comprehensive live coaching sessions. These sessions include 1 introductory session, meet your professor and partner organization and get an overview of the project. 2 sessions, deep dive into the basic concepts of your chosen topic. 1 session, learn essential sustainable project management methodology. 3 sessions, receive dedicated project work coaching to guide you through each stage. 1 final session, prepare to present your project report with confidence. Now let's explore the engaging project work, a process designed to maximize your learning and impact. Once you've selected your project, the next step is to choose which part of the project you would like to work on. Each project is divided into 3 or 4 distinct tasks. Your professor has already outlined these for you. You'll focus on one of these tasks, while other students who chose the same project will work on the other parts. In the end, all of your contributions will come together to complete the full project. After selecting your project and your specific task, your work will focus on answering 3 key strategic questions identified by your professor. These questions are the core of your work. For each of the 3 questions, you will need to study, prepare, and write a detailed report of at least 1,500 words. When all 3 reports are ready and submitted, your professor will schedule a final presentation session. During this session, you will present your work to the class, and you will also listen to the presentations of your peers who worked on other parts of the same project. Importantly, the company on which the project is based on will also attend your presentation and the one of your teammates. The project work program is your opportunity to gain valuable experience, develop essential skills, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Now let's quickly see how students will access the content that we just described. Based on the calendar agreed with their school, they will receive their credentials to enter the online learning platform, and then, every week, an email with a link to the course material and to the live streaming session. It is therefore important that the email that each student has registered in the online platform under their profile is the same one used to log into the VC session. We encourage all interested students to explore the program further and consider enrolling. For teachers and staff, we hope this information helps guide your students through the application process. Thank you.